so cool. They're hard, them get, you know what I mean? They set a stall. No, they're complicated. Yeah, he's got to hold that trigger a little bit or it'll stall. You know, you hear him? That's a real start. It's a spark plug. He puts in there and he has to pull it. It's a little spark plug on the thing. Yeah. Stalled too because he let go. Cool, man. Let that come right by. I know they're real big out in California. They have tracks and all, race tracks.
Yeah.
That's neat. Is there anywhere around here with them or no? No tracks around? New Jersey?
Yeah.
Oh, up in south or I think it is North Jersey, right? I forget what it was called. Remember that place we seen on the book about Jersey?
At the 295.
295? Where?
295, exit 36.
36? I'll look it up. Hi! That's so cool. I really thought like it was Chrissy as soon as I heard the car, but wow, look at them smoke trails, man. We're still going, yeah, still going. There's a flock of geese. Awesome! Them smoke trails, man. Oh, a crash. They both landed upright. They crashed. That's cool, man. 2 gas cars racing. Alright, I'm out.